Hello my fellow hackers and welcome to another tutorial, and here I'm gonna go ahead and demonstrate a way to go ahead and check your internet speed from the command line itself. We have a lot of portals like speed test and all, web portals mostly, which will go ahead and basically it will check your download and upload speed, but that's a bit more cumbersome for CLI users, and I do not really prefer that particular method because it takes a lot of time, to be very honest. And if just in case if your network connection is a bit slow, like if it's running on kbps for some reason, then in that case it might take forever. So keeping that in mind, I was looking around, I was digging around, and I found there are certain ways to go ahead and pull up your upload and download speed through a command prompt through CLI terminal. Well, we do have a GitHub repository for this, and what you have to do is you'll have to curl to that particular repository, and that would go ahead and pull up your upload and download speed. Now I'm on a VPN right now because I this would go ahead and expose my actual service provider, which I do not want. So I'm on a Japanese VPN right now, but you can go ahead and try the same with your internet service provider. It'll go ahead and give you the proper results, like the perfect results to the last zero. So I've got the command here. It's basically doing a curl. The hyphen small s, like the lowercase s, is for silent. I'll perform this test with both uppercase and lower without the S switch and with the S switch to show you the difference, and it's piping it to a Python execution shell. So let's just go ahead and do this. Alright. Right, so first of all, I'm going ahead and executing this with the silent switch. Let's see how it goes. I might light a cigarette in the meantime. Oh, it has started already. Interesting. Well, you'll see that it's much more faster than the conventional web applications that you have. It's much more faster than that. As you can see, it's as I'm on a VPN, it's showing my service provider as Ztv Co. It's selecting the best ping servers right now, and it's showing my proxy internet service provider. That's I don't know what the name is. Giast. Alright, so on a VPN, my download speed is 2.87 megabits. Let's check the upload speed right now. It's testing the upload speed right now, and the upload speed is 0.59 megabit. Alright, let's go ahead and check the same out without the S switch, without the silent mode on. It'll go ahead and give you the upload download data transactions first, and then it'll go ahead and fire up the Python script. Here we go. It's going ahead and giving you the average download upload speed from that particular repository, and then it will go ahead and check the speed. And I believe the speed should be the same depending on the traffic on the VPN at this point of time. I'm pretty sure that a lot of people are using that VPN at this point of time. So let's give it some time and see what happens. And yeah, I will be going ahead and posting this command on the this command on the description for your convenience, so that you can go ahead and use that for your on your own systems. Alright, so the download speed has gone down a bit because, as I said, like I'm on a VPN right now, so the speeds might vary, and the upload speed has gone down a bit as well. Alright, so that's pretty much it for this tutorial right now. Thank you for watching, and do subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more. Thank you.